Huati and Sifuli. Rooted in China, with a foundation in technological innovation, is dedicated to creating and presenting beauty. Starting from China, make the world see Chinese cosmetics. 16 years of hard work and constant striving for excellence, Huati Group now has established two smart manufacturing bases, Sifuli. One R&D Center. One Marketing Center, Huati Daiyan. We select the world's top raw material suppliers, rely on strong scientific research capabilities, continuously launch high-quality products. Over the years, we have successfully established over 200 global hot-selling brands and patented inventions, with production qualifications for all categories of cosmetics, covering skincare, fragrances, nail gels, makeups, daily hair care, and professional salon hair products. Sifuli has passed ISO 22716 and FDA certified by the International Authoritative Organization SGS, establishing the quality strength of Chinese cosmetics companies with international standards. In order to meet the diverse needs of global customers, we established a R&D center with more than 40 industry elite experts and top domestic and foreign equipments. The R&D center has developed more than 30,000 mature formulas, which lays a solid scientific research foundation for providing high-end OEM/ODM services to global buyers. Stick to the dreams, keep moving, keep exploring. Rely on the strong scientific research strength and supply chain integration capabilities. We constantly incubate hot-selling brands. We continue to expand new channels, build offline and online dual-platform operating model, provide customers with one-stop services, and reach strategic cooperation with global buyers to create a better future together. We also actively participate in the world's top professional exhibitions and continuously enhance the global image and influence of the company and brand through close communication with global professional buyers. R&D and production both are fundamental to fulfill the dream of making the world see Chinese cosmetics. Huati Group follows the global smart manufacturing standards, strives to build two Sifuli smart manufacturing bases. Main features of smart manufacturing factories like 1. Device interconnection. 2. Extensive use of industrial software. 3. Flexible automation. 4. Real-time insights. 5. Smart factory systems with autonomous capabilities. 6. The implementation of holistic visualization technology and the advanced machinery such as automatic filling machine, French Schneider automatic pump cap capping machine, palletizing robot increased the productivity to a great extent. Technology revolutionizing production, innovations leads to the future. Smart manufacturing, embracing a new era of productivity. Starting from China, linking to the global market, bringing high-quality products and services to every corner of the world. Huati and Sifuli make the world see Chinese cosmetics.